good, y'all? I'm Dr. Trehunna. As you can see, I'm in the lab, and when I mean lab, I'm talking about the actual kitchen. So I already told you I was gonna start showing y'all my butcher box meals, what I end up deciding to make, and etc. You know, and I found out that in 2022 I spent about $40,000 on food. So I'm wild. So now I know I need to go ahead and resolve this issue. So today, I'm about to make some scallops along with some sirloin tips, and then I'm gonna make as my side some bacon Brussels sprouts. All right, I'm about to go ahead and show you the whole entire process. Let's go. And once again, I'm a beginner, y'all. So if you see a whole lot of smoke in the air, like I'm about to burn this joint down, please don't judge. All right. I know I told y'all that I was gonna go ahead and make the sea scallops with the sirloin tips with my bacon Brussels sprouts, but I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I tend to be a little bit wasteful, and I forgot that I made some salmon and cod yesterday. So you wanna know what type of sauce I had or added? With the Nando's lemon herb extra mild sauce. It's derived from Maryland, so if you're not in Maryland, I'm not sure if you can order it, but yeah, it's one of the greatest sauces on earth, you know? And once again, the sauce is hot, it's good to go, you don't gotta think twice about it. That's why I put it on my cod, that's why I put it on my salmon, all right? Now later, I'm gonna go ahead and show you my very last meal for the day. So it's only right if I try one, right? I need to work on root crisp. All right, y'all, so that's my scallops and sirloin tips meal with some spinach because I went ahead and ate my bacon Brussels sprouts. Them joints were so bomb that I couldn't let it wait. All right, learned some today. I told you I'm gonna continue to drop a new video. I don't know how I cook, but we're gonna be on this journey together. All right, hopefully y'all learned something today, and hopefully this food is edible. And that's your reset tip of the day. It's gonna help stay snatched all the time. Know in the summertime. Talk to you soon.